Oh, they heard me. Come on, big baby. But don't run. I don't want you to fall over in the mud. Okay? Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. It's too muddy for running. I got you some carrots. Here comes his buddy running like, oh, I'm going to miss something. I'm going to miss something. I might miss something like a carrot or something. I got carrots. You want some? Here. Here's carrots. So when they're like this, I have to do it separately. Like, throw one over there. And throw one over there. He's finding the carrots. Houdini's too busy looking at the newcomer over there. You got the carrots, huh? You're smart, Zorro. And it's raining, so I gotta go.